Welcome to part 12 of my video series on workshop techniques. This short video shows how I make pipe fittings from casting trees that I get from PM Research. I have found PM Research to have great products, their casting trees are no exception. I'll put a link to the PM Research website in the description below. This photo shows some PM Research casting trees. They have a range of sizes and designs on their website. For this video I'm going to be making 2/4 inch elbows for a project I'm working on at the moment. The first step when making cast pipe fittings is to separate them off the casting tree. For this I use my bandsaw. The fittings do get hot when sawing, so I dip them in cold water frequently to keep them cool. Next, I clean up the ends of the fittings on the Scotch-Brite wheel. I use the Scotch-Brite wheel as it's less aggressive than the bench grinder. Again, the fittings get hot, so I cool them with water periodically. I set the casting in the milling vise. The flanges on the casting help get the fitting true in the vise jaws. I align a center drill to the center of the piece. I usually eyeball the centering process. With parts this size, it's relatively easy to get the centers aligned. I then center drill the casting. This clip shows me drilling the casting with a number 5 drill to a depth of 3/8 of an inch. Next, I tap the hole with a 1/4 40 threads per inch taper tap. Once the hole has been tapped, I turn the fitting around in the lathe, center drill to a depth of 3/8 of an inch, and tap with a 1/4 40 threads per inch tap. This speeded up clip shows the process. Once the hole has been tapped, I turn the fitting around in the lathe, center drill to a depth of 3/8 of an inch, and tap with a 1/4 40 threads per inch tap. After completing the drilling and tapping, I clean up the ends of the fitting with a deburring tool. I made 2 fittings for the project I'm currently working on. This photo shows the completed fittings on the bench. So, that's making cast pipe fittings from casting trees complete. I hope you can use the techniques shown in your model engineering projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.